Welcome to Civic Sunday. Started at about 7:50 in the morning. It's around 8:30 now, and I didn't want to make too much noise because I'm like right next to apartments, people's windows in the apartment structure, and I don't want to really start drilling hard on the firewall to get the power wire. But what I was able to do is take out the stereo on this thing. You got to finesse it a little bit to take it out. I watched another video on how to do that, and on there I didn't like some of what the individual did, so I'm just going to give a quick update as to what I did to put the radio in as far as the brackets. So you do have to pop it out. You have to pull the trim piece first, and then there's two clips on each side to pull the panel. You can see where it sits right here, and then it pops forward. You disconnect that. There's a screw here and here. You could use a 8mm wrench. This worked perfect because, you know, I tried this, but the handle was too fat, and this got in the way. So check it out. This is a Scosche single din, and there it is. It's beautiful. It fit perfectly, except that what I did first, you have to take this bracket, you have to take this A-track off, and then the this bracket, it's being held with two holds here and two holds here, and this held on the OEM stereo. It was actually one here and one here. I'm only using one. The individual I saw didn't keep this on, but you need to keep this on so that you can screw it down in case of an accident. You don't want this thing to pop up or pop out on you. So it worked just fine. I'm just using the two. I didn't use the brute force, just enough. I noticed that these clips fell off. I found one. I have it right there, and it's 1, 2, 3 for the top ones. The side ones still held on strong. So here's where the clips are. So when you're taking this panel off, you want to put some, you want to pop this one out, pop here, 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 and so on and so forth. There, you don't really, you can try to put your pry bar. You have these nylon pries, but the steering wheel is in the way. So I went all around. Be careful, because this is fragile. 2003. It's already an older car, so these plastics are easy to break.